Good morning class. This is the temperature characteristics of the vegetation zone. See the tropical zones. Mean annual average temperature in degrees Celsius is above 24 degrees Celsius. Mean temperature in January above 18 degrees Celsius. No frost is there. In subtropical vegetation zones, the temperature is 17 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. And in January it is 10 degree to 18 degree Celsius. फ्रॉस्ट इज रेयर, बहुत कम ही सब ट्रॉपिकल में फ्रॉस्ट होते हैं. टेम्परेट 7 डिग्री टू 17 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड ड्यूरिंग जनवरी -1 डिग्री टू -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. फ्रॉस्ट सम स्नो मीन्स यहाँ पे फ्रॉस्ट भी होता है, कोहरा भी होता है और कभी कभी स्नोफॉल भी होता है. अल्पाइन विच आई टोल्ड यू टू दैट विल फाउंड अबव द 3000 मीटर्स अबव. मीन टेम्परेचर इज बिलो 7 डिग्री सेल्सियस and mean temperature in January -1 degree Celsius and below it. Snow is very common in these areas. Now let us have a look over the map of India showing the natural vegetation. You can see this map of India. We will start from starting the tropical evergreen forest. You see the tropical evergreen forest in the western Ghat region. This dark green color is there. In the eastern Ghat near Tamil Nadu, then northeast is full of the tropical evergreen forest because this area receives very high temperature and high precipitation. It is near the 0 degree. That's why these are very area having tropical evergreen forest. Now second, that I told you, that was the tropical deciduous forest, rainfall 100 to 200 centimeter. There are two types of that: tropical moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. So I told you that maximum area of the India come under deciduous forest. You can see last slight gray color. Maximum area of India comes under this monsoon type of vegetation, or you can say tropical deciduous forest. Biggest portion of the area is under tropical deciduous forest. Third is mountain forest, mountainous area region. So you can see the mountains of Jammu, Kashmir, Uttarakhand and northeast also Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh area. That is a mountain forest. Now that mangrove forest, I told you these are found near the area where we have delta. Delta वहीं बनता है जब नदी समुद्र में जाकर मिलता है. तो जितने भी डेल्टा बनने वाले एरिया हैं वो ईस्टर्न रीजन में है, बे ऑफ बंगाल में है, क्योंकि अरेबियन सी में सब एस्चुरी बनाते हैं. तो आप देख सकते हैं जो कलकत्ता के पास है, वेस्ट बंगाल के पास मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट है, सुंदरी वन डेल्टा उसको बोलते हैं. सुंदरी नाम के वृक्ष वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं. लिटिल बिट वन और नियर इन आंध्रा साइड आल्सो mangrove forest are there. The Sundari one trees wood are used to make boats. Now the last, that is tropical thorn forest. You can see the Rajasthan, Gujarat, this are region where we are having very less rainfall or scanty rainfall. Thorn bushes are very common to this. Cactus tree is found there. This is the natural vegetation map of India, which you have to practice in your map and fix it into the notebook also. Some tropical thorn forest is also found in the regions of Andhra, MP, Maharashtra also. So that's all for this video. I think the natural vegetation is completed very beautifully. Next slide we will study about the importance of forest, conservation of forest. Then we will move towards the wildlife. So dear students, thank you very much.